In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a reminder in Slack. So if you had added a reminder on any task or on any message, it is pretty simple. You can remove it. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and find the message or the task you had added a reminder. You can easily spot this with this saved for later mark, and you'll also be able to see the time duration. Alternatively, if you can't find the task that had a reminder, you can just go to later here, and if you click on it, now you'll see all tasks that had reminders. From here, to remove this reminder, we have these three options here. The first option is to mark as complete. The second option is to edit reminder. And the third option is more actions. So if you click on more actions, you can see now we have an option to remove from letter. And if I click on remove from letter, now the reminder will be deleted or will be removed from this task. So that's how you can remove a reminder in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.